Came with 2 basic sets of darts. They're pretty decent. Okay, so you're gonna need several tools. You need your nice screwdriver kit. The first thing we're gonna have to do is attach the main board. These are gonna be our anchor bolts. They don't normally come with a kit, so I had to purchase those separately. You're gonna want a nice level, a tape measure. My particular kit, I needed a 5/16 drill bit, drill. I'm gonna need 2 sets of markers, liner, that's a screwdriver, doesn't have a lot of power. So I'm excited about this project. Store 2 sets of darts up in there, keep a little piece of chalk. This is a key rack thing's gotta go. I'm gonna measure straight up, 5/8 inches straight up. Get the center one. Let's go ahead and remove this key rack. Outside diameter of both of those bolts across on this board is 1.5 inches from the outside. One there. I got the width about right. And that one's about lower. So now I'm gonna circle that hole. Circle that hole. I'm gonna stick these screws through here. We want to take our level. This particular drywall's got so many holes on it. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the ones that I know that are, this is that one, that one, that one, that one. I'm gonna drill a nice level hole. See? That's a nice one. We're gonna use our same guides that we used originally. We're simply watching that level. What we want to do is a couple little bumps, took care of that. Okay, so you want to remove these guide bolts now. These screws, don't over tighten them, strip them out. This is the part we're going to slide the dart board on. That's nice and strong. With that being installed, let's move on to the next one. Seems like we don't really want. Okay, we're gonna rotate this. Do the same thing on this side. I don't recommend going to the local dart place and getting all tore up and driving home. But it'd be cool to have a few friends over. It gives you all something to do. Y'all can kick it while you're shooting some darts. Alright, so now a tennis screw, but very well could be the most important screw Start out small and work your way out. Let's see what we got here. The best method available, which is going to be let's put it straight there. I'll put that dead in the center of 20. You see they got adjusters. Perfect. No play on the board. Good enough for government work. Now you want to take your Ochi tape. Okay, so now we simply want to take our Ochi tape. We're going to put it through the hole to the center of the bullseye. We want to make sure this is 5/8, which we do have. And then to find out what distance we want a steel tip, we're gonna pull out. As you can see, this particular one says steel tip 9'7.5" or 2,930 millimeters. Soft tip is 2,990 millimeters. So you, from center line to bowl, that's our mark. We simply just want to, let's make sure we center it loose. We're gonna put that's a little mark right here on each side. I wanted to use black, but my black dried up on me. What I'm doing now is just figuring out the distance. The way I put my sticker straight. My suggestion is to clean it. Put one foot on this side. Get one. Alright, this last dart depends on the winning shot. 2 more darts. Oh yes! You won. And that's how you set up a dartboard. Thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.